Need to restore your iPhone from an iTunes backup? In this video, we'll show you how to restore iPhone data with iTunes or Finder, and a flexible alternative. Part 1. How to restore iPhone from backup in iTunes. Connect iPhone to the computer via USB. Open iTunes and select your device. Click Restore Backup and choose a backup file. Start the restore process. Part 2. How to restore iPhone backup with Finder on Mac. 1. Connect iPhone to Mac and open Finder. 2. Select your iPhone under Locations. 3. Click General Restore Backup. 4. Choose a backup and start restoring. Part 3. Store iPhone from iTunes backup with MobiKin Doctor for iOS. MobiKin Doctor for iOS offers a flexible way to recover iPhone data from iTunes, iCloud, or device backups. It lets you preview and selectively restore files without replacing existing data. Steps to restore iPhone data from iTunes backup with MobiKin Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Choose iTunes Backup Recovery. Open MobiKin Doctor for iOS and select Recover from iTunes Backup File. Choose a backup and click Start Scan. Step 2. Choose data types to scan. After selecting the backup file, choose the data categories you want to recover, such as contacts, photos, messages, notes, or other supported files. Click Start Scan again, and the program will analyze the selected backup contents. Step 3. Preview and recover selected data. Once the scan is complete, preview the available files and select the items you want to restore. Click the Recover to Computer button to save the selected data to your computer.